The Jamaican mechanic there in a problem now because guess what? The facility a be a Chinese mechanic. Just look at it. State of the art facility just opened. Don't a machine and don't come in. And look at them. Any iron vehicle wanna have problem but we wanna can't find. Just look at it. It's just come out this morning and the man in an engine already. Oil, service parts, you have to kill.
Alright, blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so first and foremost, big up every 9 to 5 worker. If you don't watch or been a watch my channel, I always big up the 9 to 5 workers because we can't forget the 9 to 5. It start we off until we eventually branch off into business or whatever. So big up every 9 to 5 worker. Anyway, when you watch the video, and from what day may I see this video going around about the Chinese mechanic shop that they are building in Jamaica. So full disclaimer, me as a Jamaican, I gotta be honest. When me see Chinese and other race of people, Indian, white people, I put up businesses in Jamaica, that is alarming. It's alarming because it show me say a lot of Jamaicans not even realize that this is literally not good for Jamaicans. In a way, what we can say now, when other race of people come set up shop in your country, that is alarming. That is not a good sign. And then now, them a come and Jamaicans a go. So Chinese a come in a Jamaica and Jamaicans a go out of Jamaica. So when you look on it now, you say about weird. So remember the Chinese always been a put up business and wholesales and all type of stuff in a Jamaica. And it's okay, you know, economy I go nice because money are make and business are going and everything, but those business are not owned by Jamaicans. That are the problem. So that are the disclaimer I have. Me not feel proud for see that as a Jamaican. But an idea upon the flip side, it is a wake-up call. And it just shows, say, boy, another man trash is a next man treasure. Because now, a lot of people go a foreign, New York, Florida, wherever, and them neglect Jamaica. Them burn them bridge, them say them done with Jamaica. Jamaica no good and this and that. I'm not saying people should not seek opportunities outside Jamaica. That's cool. But you cannot forget Jamaica. And this is you're born and grow. And this is you come from. So when you look on it now, man I left China, America, India, and I set up shop in a Jamaica where we neglect what we don't want to see. That tell me something is clearly wrong with Jamaican and how we think. So when me see that now, me I say it's a wake up call, yo. And again, if you's a good mechanic, if you's a good barber like myself, if you's a good electrician, if you's a good plumber, if you's a good mason, whatever trade, whatever 9 to 5, you have a skill in it. And you know, say you're competent, you're reliable, you're honest, and you're fair. And you deal with Jamaicans fair and square. You don't have nothing to worry about. Because me as a barber, me work with all kind of barber. And an idea, me never feel intimidated by no barber. That no mean say another barber no better than me or me no better than another barber. That is not the case. The case is when you comfortable and you confident in yourself and how you do your work, you don't feel intimidated by nobody beside you. Because you know what you bring to your customers and your clientele. Because me can tell you this. A lot of customers don't like to switch barbers. Them don't like to switch mechanics. Them don't like to switch them electrician. Them like to keep it at that person. Loyal and consistency. But when you have an outsider we come in and put up a business like the Chinese them put up a mechanic shop, and then now some Jamaicans over there so where we are mechanic, them rip off people, them no fear, them no honest. People will say, okay, me I go try this new shop.
You see, everybody are talk about the blouse and skirt Chinese mechanic shop open up a ferry at town, but only did know say one open up a sentence be to right pan the blouse and skirt main road. See it there? Right pan the main road this day. I want to tell us how Mr. Chin and my boss they are right. No! I get checked, but do not have to come from early, you know, because they're always busy, you know. Always busy. So we have to forward early and get on the thing sorted out. See it here? You know, fully open up yet. But they are getting there slowly but surely. Here? It's a chin work on my vehicle here now.
Because now, this a mechanic over here, so he might rip me off, he might eat a food off of me. That means he might scam me or whatever. So I go try this. And this is the problem lie. If you are not a competent and reliable mechanic or barber or whatever, people are going to switch, people are going to change from you because you are not dependable. You are not reliable. You are not honest. But as me say, other Jamaicans that are in their fields, mechanic, whatever, once you're fair and honest, you don't have nothing to worry about. So, with all that said, this is a wake-up call. Because trust me, once them start get business, them are go bring in more Chinese in again in that field. And this are go layer from different places. You are going to see Chinese teacher, you are going to see Chinese barber, you are going to see Chinese everything, little by little by little. Them are come in while we are leave. So them are go almost own Jamaica.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Because we turn our back on Jamaica. And boy, me no like it. But I have an idea, we have to accept it. Because that's how it go. It's just like if you have your woman and you not pay your woman no attention. You know, take care of your woman, you know, show her no affection, no love, nothing. Another man I go do it. And guess what now? You can't get pissed off when that man come in. You serious? Because now you not do what you need to do. So I same thing. When you is a mechanic and you not do what you have to do, another man will come in and take away what them to take away. And you can't get mad. Because I have an idea I saw it go incompetent. Unreliable. You get what me I say? So right now me I go to work, me I go ride and whistle. Yeah, me I go ride and whistle because me say 9 to 5. Yeah. So I have an idea now. Let me tell you something. Trade man, alright, the Bible say, I think the Bible say woe be unto the judge and the lawyers or whatever. But me say woe be unto the pastors and the tradesman, the wicked one them. Yo, we don't have a special place in a hell if there's such a place. For real. Because the pastor them wicked, you know. And that is another story for another time. Not every pastor, but enough pastors. So with the tradesman them now, me I talk about tradesman, mechanic and the Chinese them will take over. But me I give an example. You see the tradesman them at Jamaica, yo, because me love to use Jamaican workers. Jamaican me love. Jamaica me come from. Jamaica me born and grow. No. You see, what if a tradesman at Jamaica, you will give them work. And you say, alright, they might build a house for you, they might mason and plumber and whatever. Yeah, they might mason. And then now, when you give them work, remember now, you know, them a work for you. You are pay them. You give them food. And you do what you have to do. Now, when your work start 8 o'clock in the morning, here they come. Some of the time the tradesman, the laborers. Now I'm gonna lie, sometimes the tradesman them out early. But the laborers them a draw them foot. The man then come there all 10, 11 o'clock. When they for their work 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock before them reach. And when they reach, a slippers the man them coming up. And when them come, then take them time and them ask. Them start they want our breakfast. Yeah. And then now, when you, I say, alright, I say go. Them a work. They want full paycheck. If rain start fall, 2 hours after them come, them want a full paycheck the whole day. And then now when you question them, they must say, you're wicked and you're bad mind. But when them a work for Mr. Chin and the white man, them we start work 8 o'clock, you know. And them there Mr. Chin or the white man yard from 6 in the morning.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
And the white man I say, but wait, me no wake yet. Come back 8 o'clock. That's so enough Jamaican are. But me as a Jamaican, we give them a work. And the work start 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock before them come. And if you question them, I say you're bad mind. Really? Yo, what? Sometimes I tell a star. Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Me now say all of them. Enough of them. Tell me a lie, me I tell. And when they come, they want breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes they want all your woman. You serious? Remember that. You think a joke? You can't tell it. So me can tell you this. This Chinese thing, it is alarming, but guess what? It is a wake-up call. And a whole heap of Chinese come take over Jamaica. Because whole heap of we as Jamaica, we forget Jamaica, we neglect it. We don't make a room down at Jamaica. We don't buy a bicycle down at Jamaica. Gone foreign. And then now, and there's nothing wrong with going overseas and traveling, but don't forget where you come from. Now forget where you come from. Don't burn your bridge. Never do that, because you never know what can happen. You get to me I say? Yeah, and when them get deported now or whatever now here them come. 15 years ago, them never member, them family member at Jamaica. But now them get deported, them want to call you. And now them a come from vacation, them want to call you. Forget room for sleep, you know, and you put them up. Run them out of the house. Wicked them. Remember that. So the Chinese man come take over our place. And we have to accept it. Even though me not like it, me not take no pride in saying that. Me not like it. A Jamaican who own Jamaica and run business at Jamaica. But we can't do it. And sometimes only for Jamaican, like myself. Because you know naturally the man them is like a man them hate Jamaicans themselves. Because now a man who go overseas and work, saving money and say man open a mechanic shop or a barber shop like me. And a man, you own Jamaican them will set you up to take you away from you. And even kill your feet. So enough man, I don't really neglect Jamaica, you know, them just scared to start them business too. Because if a Chinese man come there, if a white man come there, nobody now trouble them. But me and you as a Jamaican go start a business. And see, you have to hire security, you have to make sure you sleep with one of your eye open. The one Jamaican they want to kill. So it's sticky, yo. Really sticky and unfortunate. But an idea we have to do and this not look good. Because now, even in my area, when I go to Linstead, them place they are pay Chinese take over the whole place, yo. Pay Chinese. And it is alarming. Not in a good way. Because this show you say, we not reliable, we not competent, we not. Why I mean I know, brother? It's weird. But I have an idea we have to accept it. I just say go. Yeah man, so today I go to work, pick up every 9 to 5 worker because nowadays they make it look like scamming and chopping the line and all of them things they cool. Youths, me talk about this all the time. Don't follow them thing there. 2 road to them thing there. A death and destruction. Remember me tell you no. So keep on, me not tell a man, start your business if you can, but do it legitimately. Don't make nobody tell you about no chopping the line and this and that. And that I go on right now with the youth them. They don't want to learn no trade, they don't want to learn no skill, they don't want to be no barber, they don't want to be no plumber, they don't want to be no mechanic. That's why Mr. China come take over our place. Because them want to sit down in the yard in front of them laptop and them phone and beg pan TikTok. You know, nasty nigga. When if you go look at work, look at 9 to 5 job, and then start something legitimately. That's why Mr. Chin, I come take over whole of Jamaica and take away our woman them too. Look for this a beer half Chinese picnic walk in Jamaica. Remember that. So an idea, brother, make this be a warning. But the man them way credible, and the man them way reliable, and the man them way honest and competent, they don't have nothing to worry about. Because me never flinch, me never get nervous or nothing when a new barber come beside me. Because me know where me bring. So him could have 100,000 customer and me have 10 customer. Guess what? Me have 10 reliable customer. That is my clientele. So an idea, you don't have nothing to worry about. So you don't know a thing go. Big Voice Radio in the building. You know what? I'm going to feature one of my bridging song too. Andre, big up yourself. Yeah man, Dre. Yeah man, him have a solid song, so I want to listen it. Go over him channel. Jay, so I'm going to post the song so you can listen it and check it out. Good music. Yeah man, big up on yourself.
And blessings inside, blessings in time, celebration of life, elevate on a heights, meditate with a vibe, with my friend and me rave all night, lone dedication, we scrape and we fight, Jah give with the strength where we did pray for. I feel grateful, a whole cake and a slice. Poverty no longer a neighbor of mine. When I rise, open my eyes, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. Long time we a try, nearly give up, then remember the most I ever on time. So I smile, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. Father, me thank you for strength, me no Samson, but man got enough, so me consciously have to give praise to your name. Enough I try to they cancel them, aim it but still couldn't blaze up it Thompson. Me not care if them claim say me mad sick, that them been a state from me gears never fancy. This skate them afraid to come straight from me factory. Aesthetically appealing, me place is attractive. So I rise, open my eyes, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. Long time we a try, nearly give up, then remember the most I ever on time. So I smile, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. Life get nicer now, bank account have the right amounts. Me queen voice sound sweet like a xylophone. Still faith and trust in Christ alone, cause the struggle did real, trouble did deal. We a puzzle with pieces missing like teeth. Me and me cousin them used to fi bossy box crease. Same hunger we use go fit that meal. So we can rise, open our eyes, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. For so long we a try, nearly give up, then remember the most I ever on time. So I smile, blessings in sight, I got my blessings in time. Yo, Kenton, blessings in sight, Barracks. Yo, the blessings them I reach just in time. Sinaloa Records.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.